How to sync your Apple Health data across multiple devices. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to keep your health information updated across your iPhone, iPad, and other Apple devices. First, make sure all of your devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. This is required for Apple Health data to sync properly. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, then select iCloud and tap on See All. Under Saved to iCloud or Apps using iCloud, find Health and tap on it. And make sure the toggle is turned on. If you're using iOS 18 or a newer version, the layout may look slightly different, but you'll still find the Health Sync option within your iCloud settings. Once health syncing is enabled, your health data will automatically sync through iCloud to other Apple devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID and have health syncing turned on. Keep in mind that the syncing process may take a few moments depending on the amount of health data being uploaded. And that's how to sync Apple Health data across devices. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Apple tips and iPhone tutorials.